If you want to solve your hair problems the right way, the first step is to understand your scalp type, how frequently you wash your hair, which shampoo you can use, how to treat your hair fall. All of this depends on your scalp type. The problem is most of the people don't know what the scalp type is and they get confused with treatments. Hi, this is Dr. Ravali Yalamanchili, Chief Dermatologist at Nea Dermatology and Aesthetics. Today, let us understand about the scalp type that we have. So what are the different types of scalps that we have? One is just like your skin, your scalp also has oily scalp, dry scalp, a combination, and sometimes even sensitive scalp. So how frequently you should wash your hair, what shampoo you should use, do you have dandruff, and if you should treat dandruff medically, all of these factors are decided by your scalp type. So if you're not treating your scalp the right way, you can do more damage to your scalp than good. Let us discuss about oily scalp. So if you're someone who has oily scalp, what are the signs? Firstly, when you wash your hair will start feeling sticky or oily within a day or two. And also your scalp feels very sticky to touch. And you also sometimes might notice yellowish flakes or dandruff covering all over your scalp. And when it is severe, when you have excessive oil production, you can also notice some boils or bumps, which is called as folliculitis. When you have dry scalp specifically, when you wash your hair the next day or the same day, your scalp will start feeling tight, dry, and also itchy, and you might have some irritation on your scalp. When you look at the scalp or examine the scalp carefully, just like your skin, your scalp also will feel very dry and it will have those lines or cracks on top of your scalp. The most common type that we notice is a combination or a normal scalp. When you have a normal scalp, your hair feels oily after 2-3 days after washing, and also you might notice some occasional dandruff which varies seasonally. So how do you take care of your scalp or hair? Firstly, if you have oily scalp, the first most important thing to do is wash your hair or scalp frequently and make sure you're using a lightweight conditioner to the length of the hair and do not use it on your scalp. And also if you're someone who sweats a lot or if someone who goes to the gym, please wash your hair every day. You can choose shampoos that have sulfates in it. Sulfates are very important cleansers and they do not cause any cancer. And if you have dry scalp, avoid overwashing your hair or scalp, limit it to 1 or 2 washes in a week. Use a mild and gentle shampoo, and even sulfate-free shampoos are a good option. And do not irritate your hair or scalp by putting too many products on it. And if you like oiling or massaging with oil, you can do that once a week or so. But the tip here is to not leave the oil on scalp for a longer time. Wash it within half an hour after application. When you have sensitive scalp is when you have irritation or burning sensation or itching on your scalp. This sometimes can be associated with your dandruff or psoriasis or when you have certain eczemas. The most important thing here is to avoid harsh chemicals on your scalp, something like hair colors, hair deodorants. All of this should be limited, and use a gentle shampoo. And if you have dandruff on top of that, please visit a qualified dermatologist who can suggest the right product that you can use. When you have a combination or a normal scalp, a balanced hair care routine works the best. You can change this according to your seasons. If you have dandruff, wash more in summers, wash less in winters. You can tweak it based on how you're feeling. So knowing your scalp type is the foundation of having healthy hair. If you're not understanding what type of scalp you have, please visit a qualified dermatologist who will explain you about your scalp type and can suggest the right products. Remember, healthy scalp is healthy hair. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.